Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Returning Sunshine Girls goal shooter Shimona Jock, formerly Nelson, says she's up for the challenge following news that the team will be without their top two players in that position for the three-match series against South Africa later this month. Daniel McLeod tells us more.
Coming off the high of beating world number 2 ranked England 2-1 in the recent Horizon series, the Sunshine Girls were struck by the news that their number 1 goal shooter Janelle Fowler-Nemhard and the veteran Romelda Aiken-George would be unavailable for the upcoming series against South Africa. Fowler-Nemhard recently announced her pregnancy, while Aiken-George is unable to take the court for back-to-back series, having already played a huge part in the team's victory over the England Roses. Goal shooter Shimoya Jock, who last represented the Sunshine Girls at the 2022 Commonwealth Games, has some huge shoes to fill, but says she's not daunted by the task at hand.
I feel that's a really great question. I wouldn't say it's a huge shoe to fill because we all play differently and we have different things to add to the team. I feel more so it's an opportunity to be here and build with the girls on a different set style of play, build better relationships and form huger combinations out there. It's to not to overthink the process really, is to stick to the plan that the coach has and to probably just trust my little instinct of learning how to play a goal shooter, not to overthink the process as much.
The Sunshine Girls are in high spirits as they ramp up preparations for the upcoming series, and Captain Shamira Sterling Humphrey also has confidence that Jock will deliver the goods.
I don't think it has shifted our focus by any means. Shimona is a great player and she offers something different. She's strong, she's very good in the air, and I think that's something that probably South Africa will struggle with because we're so good in the air.
Coach Sasha Gay Henry is satisfied with the makeup of the squad and believes they have what it takes to beat the South Africans.
I think we're quite pleased with the selection of the squad. I think we have both experience and we have youngsters in the squad, and we're excited about the whole layout. We have a few international players and our local players, so we're just looking forward to this second stint, as a international series for the Jamaica seniors team, and we are expecting great things from the team.
The Sunshine Girls are ranked 3rd in the world, while the South Africans are 5th. The series gets underway at the National Indoor Sports Centre on Saturday, January 18, when both the under-21 and senior teams of Jamaica and South Africa will be in action. The second game will be on January 22 at the same venue, before the final showdown on January 25. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sports.
And